Here are 15 tips that you can use today to start failing miserably on LinkedIn. Think LinkedIn is just a sales tool. Really? It's way more than that. To use LinkedIn invites and mails as pitches. Do you like getting pitched? Neither does anybody else. Post to LinkedIn like it's only all about you and your company. Me. That's ridiculous. Believe that connecting on LinkedIn is simply grabbing more leads. No, they're humans. Show up now and then with your only goal being a prospect for more leads. Do you like being prospected? Use the hope and prayer tactic of sending out LinkedIn invites to people who don't know you from Adam's house cat. Ha! Build a LinkedIn network fast and furiously with anyone who can fog a mirror. Really? Just a big old pile of business cards? Flood your LinkedIn company page with brochures, flyers, deals, testimonials, and stuff that's all about you and your business and your products. Well, that'll work. Everybody's looking for that. Every time you show up on LinkedIn, you ask yourself this question. Okay, what do I want to say today? Focus so much on your target audience, you forget about the other humans that are on LinkedIn and may need your help. Expect immediate results from your selfish activities on LinkedIn. Oh yeah, that's surely going to happen. Outsource all of your activities on LinkedIn to an admin, a receptionist, or a VA. And then hide behind them. Use automation to send out LinkedIn invites, LinkedIn emails, and LinkedIn messages. Oh, that's fine. No one cares. Not even LinkedIn. Not. Use LinkedIn as a sideline tool only when you have a moment or two that you can spare. And totally ignore the fact that LinkedIn is a social networking platform for humans to meet humans. A lot of people do that. What did I miss? How could you fail more miserably? Don't. Be better. Be different. Be human.